So I've got this new product that I want to share with you. It's called FIXD. It's this guy right here. It's designed so that you can put it under the dash of your car if it was built after 1996, and it'll communicate with an app on your phone, and if it does what it's supposed to do, it'll tell you what's wrong with your car. And I've had it for a couple of months, but a light came on, the check engine light, yesterday, so we're gonna check it out today. Okay, so there's FIXD right underneath my dash, and it's already communicating with my free app, and it says that we have a bad oil pressure sensor, which is easy enough. I think that being a woman, oftentimes people see us as an easy target, and so knowing that it's an oil pressure sensor, Brent is gonna film with his phone and see if that's actually what they tell us. Hey.
Hey, how you doing?
You tell me.
We checked out your truck. It looks like you just need an oil pressure sensor.
Okay.
Can I have it done in probably about 2 hours?
Awesome, 2 hours.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
No problem. I'll call you when it's ready.
It. Thank you. Totally shot me straight. Less than $100. Done. See you next time. Bye.